Rolling guys! Hello! Hi guys! I'm back. Grabe, hindi pa balot na tayo this time. So, I'm here inside the airport here in Seattle. Meron kaming 18 hours layover dito. So, wala akong magawa and sobrang bored na ako. Ngayon na pa ako scroll sa social media ko and why not do something like this? What's in my bag when you're traveling for 3 days? Hindi ko to inayos or anything kasi gusto ko raw talaga. Sabi ng friend ko, bakit hindi mo hindi mo ayusin para naman at least yung mapakita mo dyan hindi sila magulat. So, kahit ako rin magugulat ako. Anyways guys, so, ayan nga. Simula rin sa pinakaunang pocket. So, yes, I have my wet wipes. So, may wipes ako. Of course, walang bidet sa Amerika, kaya kailangan. And then next, tissue. And then, my best friend, Samxxco lip tint. Ayan. Sobrang favorite ko to kasi ang bango-bango yan talaga, guys. Ayan. Ganyan lang siya. Tapos, kung gusto mo ng emeng ganyan, mulay ba? Ayan, kunting kulay lang and everything. So, yan. Mulay na siya. Hindi kasi, konti lang nilagay ko. Yeah. So, yan. And then, of course, mga boarding passes. Departure card, dapat itap ko na ito dahil na makailangan yung boarding passes. And my Delta baggage information. Kasi nasira yung luggage ko. Kaya, ayan, nireport ko sa kanila and sabi nila, papalitan nila yung aking luggage. Diba? Guys, so huwag kayong matatakot magtanong. Kapag nasira yung luggage nyo, pwede nilang palitan. And of course, my sunglasses. Pero may grado to. Ayan. May Philippine peso. May 1,000 pa ako nito, guys. And then my favorite scent, Twilly. Yan. Brings back memories. Yeah, importante guys yung mga scent sa mga favorite occasion nyo. Wear your favorite scent para yun yung tumatak sa utak nyo kapag naalala nyo yung, or if you wanna remember the memories, you know. Yun lang. And then, sa biggest pocket naman guys, ito medyo madaming lang ito. Simulan natin sa panty liner. Kailangan nyo yan guys, sa mga ladies out there. Kapag meron ka. And then, ito yung aking toiletries purse pocket. Ano ba tawag ito? Bag? I don't know. But merong wipes dyan. Sanitary wipes. Floss. Ito na naman yung keychain na hindi ko nalalagyan. Of course, toothbrush. Guys, mag-toothbrush kayo ang naloob kung nagta-travel. And then, bagong toothpaste kasi naubos ko na yung toothpaste ko. Tapos, I always have this all-natural collagen-infused lip mask. You know, while you're inside the plane and you know you want a puckery, really smooth lips, use this. And some floss. Yan lang naman guys. Ayan siya. Baka matapon eh. Hindi ko na ginanon. Okay, so that's that. My iPod. Dinala ko to para dito ako mag-work. Dito ko lahat ilagay ng notes ko. But still guys, hindi pa rin talaga ako old school talaga ako. Hindi talaga ako more on technology and all that stuff. Mas gusto ko pa rin ng notebook. So, you know, hindi rin siya masyadong nagamit. And then, some of my papers, my ID, copy of my ID, copy of itineraries. I always have, ayan, nakita niyo na. Have my copy of my passport and my IDs for extra. Whenever you guys are traveling, you have to have that. Kasi, pag nawala, mas madaling mapapalitan kesa kapag wala ka talagang copy at all. Especially guys sa passport. Okay? Of course, I'm sleeping inside the plane. I have to have this. Kasi gusto ko talaga madilim. And then, of course, my journal. I always write on this one. My sunscreen. Always wear sunscreen, guys, even though walang araw sa labas. Okay. Yema. Oh, my book. This one, I love this book. This one is The Entrepreneur's Guide to the Art of War. Good book, guys. And I bought this. This one is really good. Ano to? Charger to. Pero it has everything. The USB-C, pang iPhone, yung pang regular Android, and then the USB. So, but you cannot do like USB to USB, just like the other one that I have. And then, pang kilay. I have to have that. And then, suklay, guys. Suklay. This one, saan ko to nakuha? I think, sa isang hotel. Japan? I think sa Japan. I love this. Kasi napaka-compact niya. Kahit saan ko din yung dali. Another charger. Then, my favorite one, I think tawag dito. Ito yung binili ko dun sa sinabi kong, diba? I'm like out of grammar na talaga. So, I bought this in the Philippines and I already talked about this one dun sa isa kong vlog. So, yeah. Just watch it, guys. Then, for my earphones, hindi natin. Wala na. And of course, my cards and my IDs and some of the receipts that I have to throw away. Money. Okay, I still have 200 bucks. Yay. So I think that's that, guys. So, yeah, buhay ko to, guys. Buhay ko tong mga nandito sa loob ng aking bag. Kasi without them, I'm not gonna survive traveling 12 hours. But I mean, I can sleep naman, no? Pero syempre, kapag di ka makatulog, you have to have a book, you have to have journal, you have to have this, if you can't sleep, And of course, you have to have some, pili kasi ako sa sweets. You have to have snack inside the plane. Kasi pag nagutom ka, pag di nagbibigay yung mga flight attendants ng food. Some of the airlines, guys, hindi sila nagbibigay. May bayad yun. And masyado tayong spoiled din dito sa Amerika kasi halos lahat atin ng airlines nagbibigay. Kahit at least money man lang. But like some of the airlines in Asia, they don't give anything, even water. So yeah, magpasalamat tayo, guys. Huwag tayong mareklamo din. So yeah, I think that's it. And I just saw my battery na low na daw. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, guys, bye. Please like, share, follow my account for more travel videos, and also I will be going back to Alaska, so I'll be doing some more of my everyday routine, or my baking stuff too. So I'll be doing like a lot of content here in my channel. So like, please like and share, guys. Huwag niyo kakalimutan. Bye-bye!